Nopuede Vende oficiales del Zamboanga City Electric Cooperative con el 7.4 hectárea, propiedad del Zamcelco kay Nuay con este presenta y aprueba el General Assembly. Y hace este anuncio na Dateline Teleradio si Attorney Goldie Rivera, el Deputy Administrator del National Electrification Administration. Ayon con Attorney Rivera, si tiene man propósito para vender con el lote del Zamcelco na privado compañía, debe aprueba con este el 2/3 miembro del cooperativa.
Which is which? Kung investment management contract, hindi na ba pwede mag-enter ng ibang kontrata like ibenta yung property yung Zamcelco? Meaning, kapag IMC, kapag ibenta, ganun dapat base sa NEA regulations.
That's correct. What we have now actually, what was passed upon by the member consumer during the the General Assembly is the private sector participation in the form of investment management contract.
So
that
that
is
was what was
the document
approved.
that we have to reckon with right now. But we all know that there is that what we call proposed sale, which is outside of that investment management contract. That's why in the latest meeting that we had with Zamcelco, we impress upon them that which is which, because what we have now actually, which is being submitted to NEA is the investment management contract, and so therefore we should proceed from that assumption.
Yabla pa si Attorney Rivera, debe man prioritize con el investment management contract. Hindi propio asigun con el Deputy Administrator del NEA para vende con el propiedad y na mismo tiempo implementa con el investment management contract.
So how could we separate? I think that the issue of the IMC should be a matter which is distinct and separate from the sale. Unless the sale is a component of the IMC, in which case the investment would be less, would be lesser. But as of now, we are proceeding under the assumption that Zamcelco would proceed to a purely investment management contract in the meantime. Although there's something mentioned about the so-called sale.
Yabla pa si Attorney Rivera, el NEA presented estudia con el terms of references del IMC. El opeto asigun con Attorney Rivera amo para proteger con el interés del member consumers del Zamcelco. Uno del condición del IMC, amo para el propiedad del cooperativa dueña siempre el Zamcelco si termina ya el contrato del IMC.
Terms of reference, as well as the draft investment management contract, will be discussed in NEA together with the officers of Zamcelco, the investor, and we have to scrutinize each and every provisions of that contract. First of all, of course, to protect the Zamcelco as a distribution utility, as well as the member consumers. But what one criteria or characteristics of an investment management contract is that the assets will be owned by Zamcelco at the end of the term. Whatever assets and properties that may be introduced by the investor or operator, it shall be owned by Zamcelco.
Gilbert Manuel, Dateline, Zamboanga.